In this next posture, we stand with the feet shoulder width and a half. Again, flex the hip, the knee and the ankle. I'll demonstrate first. So we're going to do 8, and that counts as 1. We shift the weight from one foot to the other and breathe in, rolling the head until you get halfway. Then breathe out. Then we come back again, breathe in. Halfway, breathe out. You can rest your hands on your thighs to support your lower back so there's not too much strain in it. So the pelvis must come forward so the back will arch. If you keep the pelvis still, the back won't be able to arch. Much better. Okay, good. Thank you, Michelle.